In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import from Excel to Yahoo Contacts. We'll start in Excel, where your contact list lives. Make sure each type of information has its own column. For example, keep first name, last name, email, and phone in separate columns. Clear, consistent columns help Yahoo read your data correctly during the import. Take a moment to scan through your sheet and clean it up. Remove any blank rows that could create empty contacts, and delete obvious duplicates so you don't end up with repeated entries later. It's also a good idea to double-check that emails are valid and phone numbers are formatted consistently. Once your list looks good, save it as a CSV file, which is the format Yahoo accepts. In Excel, go to File, then choose Save As or Download As, and pick a location on your computer that you'll remember. In the File Type menu, select CSV, sometimes labeled CSV, delimited. When Excel warns you that some features might be lost with CSV, that's normal. CSV stores plain text and works perfectly for contacts. Now head over to Yahoo Mail in your browser and sign into your account. After you're in, open the Contacts area. Look for the Contacts icon. It resembles an address book and is typically near the Mail menu or in the sidebar. Click it to open your Contacts page. Inside Contacts, you'll find more options for managing your list. Click the More Options icon, which may appear as 3 dots or a gear, to open the extra contact tools. From the menu, choose Import. You should see an option to import from a CSV file or a file upload choice. Sometimes you'll also see a note about a size limit for the file, such as 5 megabytes. Click Choose File or Browse, find the CSV you save from Excel, and select it. When you're ready, click Import. Yahoo will process the file and add the entries to your contact list. This can take a moment if your list is large, so give it a little time. When it's done, your new contacts will appear in Yahoo Contacts. If you don't see them right away, refresh the page and look for a freshly updated list. Spot check a few entries to confirm names, emails, and phone numbers landed in the right places. That's it. Your contacts are now in Yahoo and ready to use in Mail.